Now in this video we will study about the analysis of frame. Frame is also a structure which having at least one multi-force member, means member having more than three forces. Okay, so here also we have to draw the free body diagram of the complete frame, then determine the support reaction, then dismember the frame, consider individual member, then draw the FBD of that individual member, apply the conditions of equilibrium and find out the forces in that member. Now, steps of the analysis of frame. First step is similar as that of the truss. Draw FBD of whole frame, show support reactions, then find out support reaction by applying the conditions of equilibrium. Then step number 3, recognize the two force member if any. If any, then step number 4, dismantle the frame or dismember the frame. Draw separate FBD of each part. Show common reactions at pin joint. Then consider that part and analyze by applying it conditions of equilibrium. First step is that draw the FBD of whole frame with support reaction. Find out the support reaction by applying the conditions of equilibrium. So here in this figure, this is the FBD of frame having support reaction at A, AX and AY, and at B, that is only B, because at B there is a roller support. Then applying conditions of equilibrium, first we have to apply here summation Fy is equal to 0. So this equation is equal to Ay minus 480 Newton. You will get the value of Ay, that is 480 Newton in upward direction. Then next apply second condition of equilibrium, that is the condition of moment. Apply condition of moment about point A. Calculate the moment about point A. Gives the equation minus 480 into 100 plus B into 160. This equation gives us the value of reaction B, that is B is equal to 300 Newton in rightward direction. Now apply the last condition, which is summation Fx equal to 0 is equal to B plus Ax. We know the value of B. Put the value of B in this equation. You will get the value of Ax is equal to minus 300 Newton, means Ax in leftward direction. Now using the geometry, we can calculate the value of alpha. Alpha is the angle of link DE with horizontal. So by using geometry, alpha is equal to tan inverse 80 by 150 is equal to 28.08 degree. Now after dismantling the frame, consider the member BCD. The force exerted by link DE has known line of action but unknown magnitude. It is determined by summing moment about C. So here we use the condition of equilibrium, that is summation of moment about point C. So taking moment about point C, you will calculate the force in link DE. So FDE sin alpha into 250 plus 300 into 60 plus 480 into 100 is equal to 0. And from this equation you will get the value of force in link DE, which is equal to minus 561 Newton. So we will consider the force in link DE as a tension in nature, but we will get the answer with negative sign, means the nature is exact opposite, that is compression, like this. Now sum of forces in xy direction, you will get the value of Cx and Cy. So applying the another conditions, that is summation Fx equal to 0, you will get the value of Cx is equal to minus 795 Newton, means consider reaction is wrong. Consider direction is wrong. Direction of Cx is in leftward direction. Then applying summation Fy is equal to 0, you will get the value of Cy, which is equal to 216 Newton. So after calculating the all unknown forces, you have to draw this diagram. So here draw this diagram having the forces in link DE and at pin joint C. So this is all about the analysis of frame.